Okay, we're going to take our C term, which is positive 9. I'm going to take it over the equal sign, so x squared plus 4x. My space saver will be a box. You could just leave it blank if you want. Positive 9 becomes negative 9 plus a box. This is a common error. Make sure you guys switch that positive to negative or negative to positive. Yeah. Okay, next, I'm going to take my B value, cut it in half and square it. But remember, I tell you guys, do it in 2 steps so that you can for sure use this number. Ladies, shh, you guys, quiet. Okay, so I get 4, 4, right? Remember, this number is always positive that you put in your boxes because you're squaring the value. You can't get a negative after squaring. Okay, so now I get factor, and then I'm going to take my summation. So what is negative 9 plus 4? Negative 5, right? Oh, it would be this, you guys. You can get imaginary. You're like, what the heck? Okay, so now here's the 2 that I'm going to bring down. Okay, you have it said here. For mandatory, you're going to rewrite into vertex form. So y equal x plus 2 squared. Take that negative 5, which becomes your k value, over, and here is my vertex form, right? So if I was to ask you what is your vertex, you would be able to say negative 2, 5. Opposite h follow k, right? Okay. If you guys solve it, where I give you guys the extra credit, you're going to end up with an imaginary number because you have to, remember, your first step is you have to square root the left, square root the right. You cannot square root a negative value, right? You get the error, so you're going to get the I. So your, I try to stay away from this first one. I forgot. Keep going? Yeah? Keep going. Okay. Yeah.
She wants to know if we're going to have to.
Yes. But what I'm going to say now is extra credit. Okay. So here now, if you're going for the solving where I want the intercepts, okay, the inverse operation to squaring is square rooting. So square root, this is where you're going to get a calculator error. So you cannot use the calculator, because you guys know that already, but let's just show you. Negative 5, right? I can't plug in because that's an I, right? So this becomes x plus 2. This becomes plus or minus I rad 5. Take that 2 over, negative 2 plus or minus I rad 5. That is a beautiful answer, but if you want rad 5 as a decimal, 2.2. And so you have imaginary roots here. And this is definitely this is definitely im2 honors. I know with Mr. Lee, im3 honors. When we're right now, the class we're doing synthetic division, we're trying to find roots of cubic functions. I don't give the students imaginary roots for im3. Mr. Lee and Mr. Aguilar do for their im3 classes. So when you guys do this long division, you'll see around Halloween, you're gonna get imaginary roots of that. How are you going to tell me that? Okay, yeah, stop the video. I just hear stop talking. Yes, so that's why I tell you guys, this value, when you take your b over 2 squared, a lot of you can just throw it in the calculator, go 4 divided by 2 is 2 squared, and then you would get 4. But if you do solve it in 2 steps, this becomes your factor.
How do I know what it includes? I didn't get -5.
Because you're going to take the summation of the c value and then this b over 2 squared. So -9 plus 4. -5.
And then one more question. How did you get the vertex then?
Oh, opposite h follow k.
So it's
Oh, so then if we come back to your question, find h and k. But remember, you go opposite h follow k. So if I get then this is my hk, so my vertex is -2, 5. Yeah?
so that -5 turned into a positive?
You follow it. Oh, wait, here? Oh, yeah, because when you're here, I need them all on the same side, so I take that -5, I inverse operate it to bring it over, so negative, positive.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
I get it.
All right, I'll stop the video.
I understand it.